What do you think is the future of learning and development industry in India? If you are a trainer, coach, consultant, knowledge giver, or anybody who's associated with learning and development industry, then watch out for this entire video. Now let us start with few statistics about learning and development industry. Now, according to the World CEO survey conducted by PwC, 87% of CEOs worldwide accepted that non-availability of the key skills amongst their employees is one of the biggest reasons which is stopping the growth of their organization. Now, the learning and development industry worldwide is a $367 billion industry annually. Out of that, the learning and development industry is a $100 billion industry in USA alone. Now, if you compare that with India, the learning and development industry in India is less than $1 billion annually. Considering the fact that the population of USA is 1/4 of that of India. Now, if you see United States of America, the corporate spends on learning and development is increasing by 10% every year. Every corporate in USA spend at least 15% of their employee spend on their learning and development intervention. Now let us see few statistics about learning and development in India. Now, as I've already mentioned before, the learning and development industry in India is less than $1 billion. Now, the skill sector in India is expected to become $20 billion industry annually. Currently, 90% of jobs in India are skill-based, but my dear friends, only 6% of India's workforce is formally trained. There is a huge gap in this. Now, currently, the system in India can train 3 million people, but 12 million youths are entering the mainstream workforce annually. There is a huge gap here as well. Now, all these statistics shows that there is a huge growth potential as far as learning and development industry is concerned in India. Some of the statistics also project that the learning and development industry is all set to become $100 billion industry by year 2020. The growth is going to be exponential. Now, this comes from the fact that India is one of the fastest growing economies of the world. And such an economy requires a strong skill-based workforce. The backbone of the growth of any economy is its learning and development mechanism. India's corporate spend on learning and development is less than 2% of the overall employee spend. Now, this figures is between 10 to 15% in almost all the advanced countries. India is all set to become the third largest economy by year 2030. Now, if this has to be true, then at least 100 of the corporate giants of India must enter Fortune 500. This shows that we are going to experience unprecedented growth in India's corporate sector. But this growth is impossible without learning and development industry growing in accordance. The learning and development industry is going to form the backbone of this growth story. But my dear friends, while the future looks very promising, there are some challenges which needs to be solved. Now, India's education system fails to impart the right skill orientation required for our graduates. Now, if you see, most of the graduates enter the job world as a generalist. They lack clarity on what job to take and how does their job align with their goals and vision in life. Now, most of the professional courses, if you see, they just impart theoretical knowledge to the students without aligning them or empowering them with the real world scenario. Now, because of this, 54% of youths graduating in India every year are unemployable. So because of this gap left by the Indian education system, the learning and development mechanism in India has to be really strong. It should align these students with the real world scenario and empower them with the right skill set, with the right mindset, and with the right knowledge. Now, the biggest bottleneck in the growth of learning and development industry in India is lack of skilled trainers, coaches, and knowledge givers. The learning and development industry is crowded and entangled with so many self-proclaimed trainers and coaches who have just exploited the need of learning and development in India to earn a fat income for themselves and adding a very less value to the people around. Now, I've seen hundreds of people leaving their lucrative job and entering into learning and development industry because they have the inner urge and passion to impart their knowledge to others. I think that's really good. But my dear friends, there is a huge difference between having a knowledge and imparting a knowledge with the right tools, systems, and methodologies to the participants. All this has denigrated the need of learning and development in the growth of corporates and entrepreneurs in India. Now, thus, there is a need generated to get all the trainers, coaches, consultants, healers, knowledge givers, and everybody associated with the learning and development industry on a common platform and equip them with right systems, right tools, and right methodologies to bring about the required transformation in people and make this learning and development industry the backbone of the growth of our corporate and backbone of the growth story of our great nation. Now, keeping all these things into consideration, so guys, I'm on a mission to empower 1 million trainers, coaches, consultants with right systems, right tools, right methodologies so that they can go out and transform the lives of the people. Now, for this, I have created an exclusive closed group. So, do you want to become part of that group? Now, becoming part of this group is strictly on the basis of invitation and by qualification. So, those who are keen to become part of this group, become part of this revolution, they can just click on the link below, give few details about yourself, and if you qualify for getting into that group, I'll send you a exclusive invite by which you can enter into that private group. So my dear friends, become part of this revolution, become part of this particular group where we can all come together and create such a platform where we can really bring that transformation in the lives of people. And that is the reason why the trainers and coaches are known for. So if you are keen to become part of this group, click on the link below, answer few questions, and if you qualify, I'll share an exclusive link with you so that you can become part of that exclusive group. So my dear friends, until I meet you next time, all the best and goodbye.